Hi, welcome back to my channel, Lalu Nails. Today I have the PR package from Sweet Nail Supply. Let's open it. Thank you Sweet Nail Supply to send me all these goodies. If anything catching your eyes, go to my description box. I will make sure I will link everything down below. These three are from this collection called Neon Pudding from Yogurt Nail. I got two jelly colors. One look like peach color and other one look like a coral color. And other one has beads inside of it. Next, I have cuticle oil from Blanc Blanc. This cute little thing that I can use for my phone. And this one is Zombie King Top Gel. It's larger and in the pot version of the Zombie Top Gel. Plus this one slightly thicker formula. It can self-leveling, retention and scratch resistance. So it's a little bit quite different. I am very excited to get these gels. Introducing Diami Baby Boomer. In this box come with 10 pots of gels, 20 pieces of mushroom sponges, easily to do ombre effect, aura effect, even a nail art. The rings you see right here, you can put it on top of the pot to control amount of the gel you would like to pick up by the brush. This gel is really easy to use. You pick up a little bit amount of gel, you put on some surface and tap 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 tap. And then you get really smooth and pretty ombre nail. What I am doing right here is showing you how to do aura effect without using the airbrush. What you have to do here is apply any base color you want. The next layer is this boomer gel, and then top with any color of jelly gel. This mushroom sponge is reusable. You can clean it up with alcohol, dry it up and use it again. If you have a trouble when you apply sheer base gel on your nail and your free edge is showing, just apply this boomer gel before you apply that sheer base gel. And bam, all gone. And the last I get MD gel, silky magnetic gels. And I get 6 colors. Let's swatching. empty gel is Japanese brand gel, and it's really pretty, silky, magnetic. This number 5 is my favorite. Thank you Sweetie Nail Supply again to send me this PR package. And again, everything will link down in my description box. Don't forget to check it out. And thank you for you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye bye.